हाम्रो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरी लेटेस्ट अपडेट पाउनको लागि बेल आइकनलाई क्लिक गर्न नभुल्नुहोला।
The new Galaxy Note 20 comes in two versions, the Note 20 and the Note 20 Ultra. The Note 20 has a 6.7-inch screen, and the Note 20 Ultra has the largest smartphone display yet in our Note series at 6.9 inches. The display is the most vivid and brightest you can find on a smartphone today. It gives great visibility indoors and outdoors. Once you experience the buttery smoothness of our 120Hz display, it's really hard to go back. We're proud to bring that same experience to the Note 20 Ultra. We're happy to protect the new Note with the toughest glass ever on a smartphone. Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra have the fastest processors in the Galaxy series. And if you're ever running low, you can get more than 50% charge in just 30 minutes. They come with one camera on the front and 3 in the back. Ultra wide, wide, and telephoto. You can get sharp pictures even when the subject is far away, and crisp shots in low light. It's the biggest leap in low light photography in a Galaxy. As you can see, the bold design is a proud declaration on its own. That's right, it's the S Pen.
Thanks to a doubling of the display's refresh rate to 120 Hz, the Note 20 screen now shows the data from the S Pen twice as frequently as the Note 10. In the end, we reduced the latency to 9 milliseconds, moving the S Pen one step closer to the natural feeling of writing on paper.
In addition to Mystic Bronze, we settled on Mystic White, Mystic Gray, Mystic Black, and Mystic Green.
This is our all-new Galaxy Tab S7.
Tab S7 comes in two sizes, an 11-inch model and the larger 12.4-inch Tab S7 Plus. The Tab S7 Plus has the largest Super AMOLED on a tablet today. And remember that ultra-smooth 120Hz display? We're bringing it to tablets for the first time. When it comes to design, our goal was to combine portability and style. The Tab S7 Plus is the slimmest tablet of its size on the market. It's incredibly thin, light, and durable. The Tab S7 and S7 Plus come in 3 new color options. Now where's the S Pen? Here it is. Convenient, right? We also built a better keyboard that's going to raise your productivity game. And now we're letting you run up to 3 apps simultaneously. You can watch videos on YouTube and chat with friends all at the same time. This feels like a real pen and writes like one too. Combining the new S Pen with the new 120Hz display, we were able to significantly reduce latency. The book cover keyboard is the most versatile keyboard for both work and play. The touchpad is now larger and supports multi-finger gestures, so it's easier to control your screen. And it has shortcuts, like on a full-size keyboard, bringing a Windows PC experience to an Android tablet.
But now the Your Phone app is about to get even better. I'm excited to announce the new Apps feature, which gives you access to your Android apps on your Note 20 directly from your PC. You don't have to pick up your phone to send a message on WhatsApp. You can simply open it from your favorites.
You'll even be able to use it as a second screen for your Windows 10 PC later this year.
We'll deliver Xbox Game Pass Ultimate to Samsung phones and tablets, including the Galaxy Note 20.
With the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and Xbox Game Pass, you could play your games from anywhere that you would like to. Once you're in, head to the Cloud tab. Look at all these games! Seamless! You know it! Speaking of seamless, the Note 20 makes sure that you get that buttery smooth gameplay. We know a thing or two about being smooth.
For those who pre-order and choose the gaming bundle, you'll get a Bluetooth controller and 3 months of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate free when it launches on September 15th.
The Galaxy Buds Live. The Buds come in a choice of 3 colors, including the super chic Mystic Bronze, which I am personally loving. We designed the Buds Live for all-day comfort. The result is the first open-type buds in the Galaxy series. The wingtips face up, just like this, and they fit perfectly in the curve of my ear. And it doesn't feel like I'm wearing earplugs, which is the worst. I get up to 6 hours of playtime, and the charging case provides up to 21 hours in total. And the controls are easy and even customizable. Best of all, Buds Live have incredible high sound quality with powerful bass boosts. Buds Live bring you close to the optimal sound of the Harman curve. And for all you audiophiles out there, you know what that means. You're going to love the active noise cancellation for OpenType. It's a first in our Bud series. We cut low-band background noise by up to 97%. Buds Live provide the best call quality too, with 3 microphones and a voice pickup unit. Introducing the Galaxy Watch 3. And it comes with the precision rotating bezel, which only we offer. It's lightweight, luxurious, and comes in 2 sizes and 3 colors. We even have a super premium titanium model, Mystic Black. The frame is smaller, slimmer, and lighter, while the display itself is bigger. And we've created a new range of beautiful watch faces. My all-time favorite, it's the Weather Center watch face. It gives me constant updates of what the weather is, and it has awesome live animation. We're bringing new tools to help regularly monitor your health, including ways to track blood pressure, ECG, and blood oxygen saturation. Hit measure, and that's it. Again, easy.
We collaborated closely with Android as they developed Nearby Share. It automatically detects nearby users, making it simpler and quicker to share files across Android devices. The other is Samsung SmartThings Find. Like the name implies, this helps you locate Galaxy phones, watches, and even buds. The Note 20 Ultra is enabled with ultra-wideband technology, or UWB. It uses high bandwidth to measure range and direction with astonishing precision. With UWB, Nearby Share will reach a new level of quick and easy sharing. By simply pointing your phone to other UWB-equipped Galaxy devices, Nearby Share will automatically list the people you're facing at the top of your sharing panel. SmartThings Find will also be enhanced using augmented reality and intuitive directions. You'll be able to locate other UWB-equipped things to its precise location. We're also teaming up with partners to turn your phone into a digital key with UWB.
The all-new Z Fold 2. The Z Fold 2 comes in 2 colors, Mystic Black and what I have here, Mystic Bronze. The haze effect and metal finish set the tone right away. The body is thinner, and we minimize the gap between the screens. The new Z Fold 2 sports a wider 6.2-inch full cover display with no compromises. So even when it's closed, you have a full smartphone experience. We've maximized the screen with our whole-in display technology, bringing our Infinity O display to the Z Fold 2 across a beautiful 7.6 inches. The Z Fold 2 embodies our 120 Hz refresh rate technology. We optimize the display layers, reinforce the entire structure to make the phone tougher in real-world environments. And whether you're working or playing games on the 5G network, the dual intelligent battery will last all day. We completely re-engineered the hinge of the Z Fold 2 to improve resilience so you can use it with greater confidence in its durability. We've got so much more to tell you about this amazing device. We're going to share more details on September 1st. Pre-orders begin on that day too. Earlier this year, we partnered with renowned designer Tom Brown.
new products designed to help you sail through everyday life and navigate the next normal. Going forward, 5G and foldable will be the major pillars of Samsung's future. You tell us you are using your smartphone for longer. We want to help you to do that because this is also good for the environment. That's why we are supporting your operating system for 3 generations of devices. When can I get my hands on these devices? And how much they will be? Galaxy Watch 3 and Buds Live will be available on August 6th. And Tab S7 and Tab S7 Plus will be released on August 21st. Finally, Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra will be available in 5G models, with LTE models available in selected countries. Pre-orders begins tomorrow.
This is no ordinary innovation. This is the power to work and play. Enhanced with Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, Galaxy Watch 3, and Galaxy Buds Live. And it's all at the tip of your fingers. Just tap and sync. Flip open the advanced world of Galaxy Buds Live, where deep sound flows seamlessly. A design that's unheard of offers an ergonomic fit for less fatigue and lasts for hours. Now with active noise cancellation technology and 3 mics, you can control what you hear.
Morning, team. Can you all see the PowerPoint?
Be it for work or play. A flawless connection to Galaxy Note 20 Ultra elevates your entire sound experience in a truly immersive way. Even when shooting videos, you'll be able to pick up voice clearly. You'll never miss a beat. And speaking of beats, you can track yours. You can measure it and use the data to improve your health. The most advanced health monitor in a smartwatch, Galaxy Watch 3 lets you check the data on your phone and tracks your pace. Even on your TV. And here is something more. Galaxy Watch 3 is devised to watch over your work management as well. It can also provide more control over your presentations remotely, giving you more freedom at your meetings, wherever you are. This is not just another smartphone experience. This is enhanced power to work and play.